Hi everyone, once again welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be solving this Olympiad math problem. Now, first thing I did was that I said let x raised to the power of 1 over 6 be equal to p. Why? Because 2 times 3 is 6. So from here now, x will be equal to p raised to the power of 6. Now I'm going to substitute this value of x as space inside this equation. Now we have x here, so I'll put p raised to the power of 6 raised to the power 1 over 2 minus x again, p raised to the power of 6 raised to the power 1 all over 3, everything equal to 4. The next thing I'll do is that this is p. 6 times 1 over 2 will give me 3. So here will be p raised to the power of 3 minus 6 times 1 over 3 will give me what? 2. So we have p squared equal to 4. The next thing I did was that I subtract 8 from both sides of this equation. So here will be p raised to the power of 3 minus p squared minus 8 equal to 4 minus 8. Now, then here will now become p raised to the power of 3 minus p squared minus 8 equal to minus 4. Then now, I'm going to rearrange this in this form. So here will become p raised to the power of 3 minus 8, put it closer to the p raised to the power of 3. So here will be minus 8, then minus p raised to the power of 2. Then I'll take this minus 4 inside. It will now become plus 4. Everything equal to a 0. Then I will say that p raised to the power of 3 minus 8, then this minus sign, I'll put it here, open a bracket and put p squared, then this is plus, so I'll put what minus here, minus 4, everything equal to 0. Now if you look at the minus times minus, we get plus here. So then the next thing I'll do, I'll say p raised to the power 3, then here will be, instead of 8, I'm going to write 2 raised to the power of 3 minus, open bracket, here will be p squared minus 4 will be what? 2 raised to the power 2 equal to 0. Then the next thing, I will use my algebraic identity for this. The identity states that the difference of cube identities, that's what I'm going to use, which says that a raised to the power 3 minus b raised to the power of 3 is equal to a minus b. Then here, a squared plus ab plus b squared. So this is the identity I'm going to use for p raised to the power 3 minus 2 raised to the power of 3. So we'll write it this way now. So this will now be equal to, my a will be what? P. So here will be p minus 2, open bracket, p squared minus 2p, p squared plus 2p plus 2 square, and 2 square is 4, so we say plus 4. Then I'll close my bracket, minus, then we know this one is already difference of 2 squares, so we'll put it this way, minus p minus 2, then p plus 2, everything equal to 0. And the next thing I'll do, p minus 2 is common here, p minus 2 is common here, so now I'll say p minus 2, open bracket, now this will be inside my bracket, so here will be p square plus 2p plus 4. Then this minus sign minus open bracket p plus 2. Then I'll close the bracket. Everything equal to a 0. Then here will be p minus 2, open bracket again, p square plus 2p plus 4. Minus times p minus p minus times plus minus 2 equal to 0. Then we continue again. We say p minus 2. Here will be p square plus 2p minus p will give us p. So here will be p. Then plus again 4 minus 2 will give me 2 equal to 0. Now, since we are looking for the real values of x, we can say here will now be p minus 2 equal to 0, or p square plus p plus 2 equal to 0. But since we are looking for the real value of x in our question here, we are only going to consider this. So here will now become p minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, p is equal to 2. Then now, remember, I said let s raised to the power of 6 equal to p. So we'll say, recall, x raised to the power of 1 over 6 equal to p. So, and we already gotten p as 2. So here will now be s raised to the power of 1 over 6 equal to 2. Now, I'll raise both sides to the power of 6. Therefore, x will now become 2 raised to the power of 6. And x, 2 raised to the power of 6 is what? 64. So x will be therefore become 64. So this is the solution to this particular equation. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and also invite your friends to subscribe. Thank you.